Jay Bowman with your commentary for the 14th of February on the Dow Jones Industrial. Now let's get straight to it. Here we do have the monthly graph, and at the top of this monthly candle is the 12,500 area. Now keep in mind that this looks like we're heading to this area. Now I would also do a calculation on this horn pattern, which can mean a reversal or a continuation, and a calculation of a break of the monthly of this horn would give it a 14,000 target to its all-time high is 14.6 area. Now that's well in the future, but keep that in mind. Now let's go straight to the weekly. Now with the weekly, you know, it's nicely healthy following this flag break to the 12.5 to the 12.7, pretty much the top of the horn channel. Now, so that's nicely healthy like that. It broke out of the 12,000 mark and is basically on its way to 12.5 with no question. Now we go down to the daily. Daily here, it's broken out of the channel, and the target of that is the 12.4 to 12.46, roughly about the 12.5, and it has used the top channel line as support, so it supported itself along there. Now let's go into the intraday levels. Now this is the 180 3-hour graph, and as you can see, it's nicely in the envelope on the top side. It's just moving quite nicely along there, and obviously when you see down the track, it is definitely pointing to the 12.4, 12.5. To give you a bit of a shorter term view, I'll just go to the 60-minute, and what we have here is an ascending triangle. Now the ascending triangle's target is 12.313 to 12.332. You can also do another calculation top and then to the break here, which also gives you the same target. So that's your short-term targets. But bear in mind down below here on the MACD histogram on a 60-minute, it is a sort of diverging, so we could expect a couple of pullbacks before continuing on the uprise. That's all that has to say. So overall picture for the Dow is pretty positive. It's broken through the 12 mark, and it's well on its way to 12.5. And as you know, with the government always purchasing nearly every day, I've kind of come to the conclusion that when this big when this big candle on the down happened about a week ago, my sort of understanding and common sense says to me the US government's accumulation of stocks was not as high back then, and so there was a lot of distribution that overrode the accumulation of stocks. Therefore they fixed up their accumulation targets, and have ever since been aware of when stocks start selling off, that the accumulation starts building up. Now this also QE2 is expected to last until July or June-July. So after that they could devalue the dollar even more by doing QE3, but that is not set as of yet. So let's just keep the fundamentals in the background. And so therefore we are definitely on our way to 12.5. I hope this has helped. Nothing really has changed. It's just it's been going on the same track as I described before. This is Jay Bowman signing out. You can also email me jaysanalysis@hotmail.com. Thank you. Goodbye.